This is like take like 3 or 4 because I keep missing the recording button. I wrote a song. Hopefully you like it. I don't have a name for it yet, but close your eyes if it helps. Oh, this winter cold lands on my skin, reminding me of where you've been. It chills me to the bone just looking back. I'm stained with all your fingerprints, the places where we shared a kiss. They're ruined now, it's all because of you. But I'll never be that man again. I still don't know quite who I am in this place, in these walls, and where you've been. And I drank till I drowned in by your sin. I am chained down, never free, haunted by those family dreams. 'Cause there's no future left for you and me.